Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. Of course, first off, I would like to thank everyone who watches, who subscribes, who likes my videos, leaves me comments, leaves me feedback. It is appreciated, and I thank you very much. Today, I am doing a reveal. Actually, it really is an unboxing, but I skipped that part. It just takes too much time to take all the wrapping and all that stuff out, so I'm going to call it a reveal and a review of a new bag that I picked up. The bag is the Coach Pillow Tabby 18. Now, this is a tiny bag. Look, it almost fits in the palm of my hand. Look how small it is. I wasn't expecting it to be this small, but it is a beautiful bag. All leather on the exterior and leather on the interior. This is a beautiful bag. Will I get the 26? I don't know. I'll think about it, but I do like the 18. And as you've seen on my channel, I do like small bags. You know, I have a combination small, medium, large bags, but I do like small bags. My only, I wish that Coach would have made a longer top handle strap for this so that you can get it over your shoulder, because I cannot get this over my shoulder. I can get it on the crook of my arm, which is fine, but I cannot get it on my shoulder. And I love shoulder bags, and this would be really cute to carry on the shoulder. Now, of course, they did give you a strap, which, you know, you can still carry it on the shoulder, but it would be kind of long, and I don't usually carry bags that way. And of course you can do crossbody, but I would have liked if the this handle would have been a little bit longer. But let's get into the bag. Let me come forward. The color of the bag is ivory brass. And hopefully the camera will focus. There it goes. This is the front. And again, this is really a small bag. This is the side, the detail there. This is the back, no back pocket. The other side. And then the bottom. Let's see. It has the typical Coach features on the bag with the hang tag, and then the Coach label or logo on the hardware. Again, the hardware is brass. You have a little edging around the C in brass. It's really beautiful. It really is beautiful. Let me give you the measurements, because like I said, it is tiny. It is 7 1/4 inches long, 4 inches high, 2 1/2 inches deep. The strap drop is 4 inches, and the crossbody strap is 22 1/2 inches long. Did not give the weight, but this is super, super light. And it is, just like everyone says, it is squishy, you know, it is soft. I believe this is the Napa leather. It is really beautiful, but I wasn't expecting it to be this small. So let me show you some of the other Coach bags that I have that are small, like this. This is the Dreamer. I think this is the Dreamer. Is it the Dreamer 18? This is the Dreamer. Yeah, because it's about the same size. Let me do it this way. Yeah, but this is the Dreamer 18. So, but I believe the Dreamer has a little bit more capacity on the bottom. I think it's 4 inches with the Dreamer, where this is 2 1/2. But there you go. About the same length. Then I have the Coach Top Handle Tabby 20. And of course, since this is 18, of course this is going to be shorter or not as long, but there you go, just to give you a point of reference on this. I also have the, what is this? Now this is much bigger. This is the, can't remember what the name of this bag is, but I know it is, what is the name of this bag? Oh my God. Riley. The Coach Riley 22. Yeah. And of course, 22 inches long, so you gain some space with this, and then I believe you gain width, or width capacity with this one. So just to give you a point of reference for this bag. And I do notice when you use the top handle, it does fall forward. See that? It does fall forward. It doesn't it doesn't keep its, and it could be because of the C part right here. I don't know, or maybe it's just the way that it's designed, but it does fall forward. And for my Junie lovers, I want to leave you out. I have the Dooney & Bourke Nano Satchel. Now, of course, this is much bigger than, much bigger than the Tabby Pillow 18. But just again, just to give you a point of reference for the bag. So my point is, it is small, but not too small for me to use. So what I want to do is show you what items will fit in the bag. So what I'm going to do is come forward, bring the camera down, down a little bit more. There we go, so that you can see. And it's a magnetic opening, and it's pretty good. It'll, in some ways, it kind of finds its way shut. So that's pretty good. And then here is the interior. You have the back flap. Again, this is all leather. And then you have two separate compartments that are divided by this divider. It's non-functional. You have a small pocket on the back right here. And then you have another section right here. And then right here. That is about it. Now, I am using my phone, but this is my case for my iPhone 11. And it will fit my phone. I have, this is what I normally carry, every day, my Michael Kors pouch. This is too high for this bag. And this is my smallest pouch. So I still have my medium pouch, which would not fit in this bag. And of course my wallet, which will not fit in this bag. No, it's too long. So I do have other accessories. I have Louis Vuitton mini pochette. Let's see if this will fit. Ooh, wow, this is too high. I just knew this would fit, but this is too high. So this will not fit. Of course, I have some card cases, and of course these will easily fit into the bag. Now, and it'll it'll fit right into that back pocket right there. So I can easily find smaller pouches if I want, you know, to carry some of the items that I would need to carry, especially since the interior is leather and it's a light color, you know, just to protect the bag. So I could probably find some, not probably, I can find some smaller pouches so that, you know, I could use this bag. But, let's see, just to give you, it's another card case that I have, just to give you an idea of how much space you have there. I mean, the front pouch actually, you know, you have more capacity with the front pouch than you do with the back. So, but again, this would be large enough for me to carry, especially if I'm on vacation, you know, and, you know, I'm just out for the day and, you know, I don't need to carry a huge bag. This would be fine for me. So let me show you what it looks like on me. Let me bring the camera back around and up. Like I said, I can't get this on my shoulder. So without the long strap, my only option would be, of course, to carry it like this, handheld, or crook of the arm. And it looks cute like that. The straps, you do get 2 straps with this bag, and you can add both straps or attach both straps to the bag at the same time, or you can remove one of the straps. It's really, you know, up to you. But this is the long strap, and this is how it would look on me as a crossbody. Now I am 5'8", 5'9", more towards 5'9", and I believe I have this, yes, on the last setting. So this is as long as this will go on me. And it's right here, just above, just really hitting at my waist. So right here, but this is fine. And again, super light. Super light. And let me show you what it looks like on the shortest setting on me. So this is how it would look. Like I said, I wouldn't carry it like this. I don't carry bags like this, but this is how it would look on me. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I don't know if I'm going to get the other one. I think the other one would be definitely be more practical. But again, I think another winner from Coach. Love the color. Like I said, the color is ivory brass. Love the color. I think this is beautiful. I could have gotten the, what do they call it, the candy or the black, but I wanted something, I don't have a bag this color, so I said, well, let me try this one. And I was actually thinking about going back and getting the Pillow Tabby 26 in the same color so that I could then use the strap from the Pillow Tabby 26 for this bag. And then I would probably be able to carry it on my shoulder, but this color is sold out. So I may wait until it comes back in stock and go ahead and get the 26 in the same color so that I can use the strap. But let me know. Let me know what you think. I thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye.